Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this series, I'll be walking you through JavaScript. And in this series, I will try to cover as much as possible in the field of JavaScript. So this is 2019, and if you want to start learning a new language, then I would suggest JavaScript is the answer because JavaScript is everywhere. If you go to any job portal and if you type JavaScript developer, then you will see tons of jobs out there, people seeking out developers who are efficient, who are extremely good in JavaScript. Even not extremely good, even if you are just learning JavaScript and you have the basic skills, and you can make some decent websites with it, then a lot of people will actually come and hire you because the demand of JavaScript is this much. So if you look into JavaScript, you can do both front end and back end. And I personally like some JavaScript developers as well. And after seeing the videos of the other people, I came to this conclusion that I can make a series of my own where I will share my personal skills that I know of JavaScript so that you can actually go through those videos and help yourself out, increasing your skill set. So yeah, so JavaScript, there are tons of JavaScript libraries out there, tons of things to learn, and I don't know how much I'll be able to cover, but I'll be trying to upload every single day one new video. So if you wanna watch and code along with me, that I would suggest you press the subscribe button and join the subscribers list, I guess, because every single day you need to have that notification bell, notification, not bell, notification, so that you know that a new video is out there for you. So I'm gonna cut this video short as I'm not gonna start anything in this video. This is just an introduction video of what I'm going to going to provide in the upcoming days. So yeah, so that's basically it. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.